Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to strike through in Google Docs and what's the shortcut for this function. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Docs and I can already find a lot of text here, but none of it is strike through. How do I change that? I just have to select the text that I want to strike through, click on Format, Text, and I can find strike through right here. If I click on it, I strike through my selected text. If you are looking for the shortcut to strike through text, you may have already discovered it. If not, let's go back to Format and Text again and see the shortcut is Alt, Shift and 5. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.